Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pool cleaner that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Vingli Automatic Pool Cleaner in ground. The Vingli Automatic Pool Cleaner helps you to conveniently clean the mess in your pool. It cleans everything from dirt, sand to even hair. It also offers a very easy assembly package. Unlike some other pool cleaners, this one is almost noiseless. It comes with an upgrading hose that is durable and can stand the test of time. The upgrading hose is also scuff-resistant. When contacted tight enough, it will prevent air from escaping. Moving on at number 4, we have the Zodiac MX6 in ground suction side pool cleaner. On our list as well as the Zodiac MX6 in ground suction side pool cleaner. This number has a number of great features. For one, its innovative low-flow construction makes it suitable for pools having 2 speed pumps. Its cyclonic suction technology allows for thorough vacuuming. Its articulating turbine blade helps it to aggressively climb and clean your pool's walls. You don't have to worry if you aren't tech-savvy, as its swiveling hoses allow for a stress-free assembly. To complete its awesomeness, it comes with a weir valve, a 90-degree twist lock elbow, a flow regulator, and a hose protector. At number 3, we have the Polaris Vac Sweep 280 Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. If you're looking for a pool cleaner that sure gets the work done, you might want to consider the Polaris Vac Sweep 280 Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. It goes as far as being able to clean up even pebbles. This pool cleaner offers very impressive features at an affordable rate. For one, it can be used in all in-ground pools. It also promises to excellently vacuums, sweeps, and scrubs the floors and walls of your pool. It has a large opening that helps it take in bulky debris. At number 2, we have the Zodiac Barracuda G3 Kit with advanced suction side automatic pool wall floor cleaner. The Zodiac Barracuda G3 Kit pool cleaner is definitely worth mentioning. It takes in small and medium-sized debris with ease. Its construction also helps it to climb and thoroughly clean the walls and steps of your pool. It offers a noise-free performance, so you can be sure you won't be bugged by noise. It features an automatic flow keeper valve that helps to regulate water flow and ensure that cleaning performance remains at the very best. Its wheel deflectors help it move into and clean even the tightest of corners. It boasts of scuff-resistant long-lasting hoses. These hoses help to keep off scuffs from the surface of your pool. And finally at number 1, we have the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner is another exceptional pick. It is ideal for pools that are up to 50 feet. It will not just take the work off your hands, it will leave your pool looking great and sparkling. Its dual scrubbing brushes ensure that even the tiniest of dirt is wiped clean. Its premium filtering ability will surely leave you with a satisfied smirk. Unlike pressure and suction pool cleaners, this one helps to conserve energy. It also allows for a pump and hose-free cleaning. It features an automatic 3-settings scheduler that helps you choose between every day, every other day, and every third day. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.